In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Forms add-ons. Google Forms is a versatile tool used by many for surveys, quizzes, and a myriad of data collection activities. While add-ons can enhance its functionality, there may come a time when you find some of these add-ons unnecessary or even cumbersome. That's where we come in. I'll walk you through the simple steps to effectively manage and remove any unwanted add-ons. First things first, you'll want to open Google Forms in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, create a new form or open an existing form where you're looking to manage add-ons. You should know that add-ons are specific to forms, so you'll want to ensure you're dealing with the right form. Now, at the top of your form, right in the menu bar, you'll notice an option labeled Add-ons. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu showcasing all the add-ons you currently have installed. In this menu, browse through your list of installed add-ons until you find the one you wish to remove. When you've located it, hover your cursor over it. You'll see a small icon that resembles a trash bin or something similar, symbolizing removal. Click it. This icon represents your first step towards decluttering your form of any unnecessary functionalities that may be clogging up your workflow. Next, a prompt will appear asking for your confirmation to remove the add-on. It's a good practice to carefully read through any confirmation messages just to be sure that you're removing the intended add-on. Once you're confident with your choice, go ahead and click Remove. This action will remove the add-on from your Google Forms, making your user interface clean and less crowded with features you don't need. Remember, removing an add-on won't delete any of your forms or data. It simply discontinues the additional functionality that particular add-on was providing. If you decide later that you'd like to reinstall it, you can always go back into the add-on menu and search for it again. And there you have it. Removing add-ons from Google Forms is not only simple but crucial for maintaining an uncluttered and efficient digital workspace. If you find yourself frequently using certain add-ons, keep those, and simply toggle off the ones you rarely access. This will make your Google Forms experience far more streamlined and enjoyable. Thank you for joining me in this guide. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Google tools efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.